In developmental initiatives within the 19th South Shillong constituency, MLA Sanbor Shilai laid the groundwork for the Urban Public Health Centre at Lomparing in the year 2022. Continuing his oversight of the construction, Shilai, joined by State Health Department officials, local headmen and Dorbashnong committee members of Lower Lomparing, Upper Lomparing and Raj Laban Kanjat Football, conducted an inspection on the 12th of December 2023. The sanctioned cost for the UPHC was Rs 4 crores 99 lakh during James Sangma's tenure as the Health Minister of Meghalaya. Addressing the gathering, Shilai expressed gratitude to Lomparing for donating approximately 6,000 square feet of community land for the UPHC construction, anticipating it to be a boon and a blessing for the area. He urged upon residents to collaborate with builders and contractors for a swift completion of the centre.
Nang tinanang dia laya rai ba kan input nang tinanang alun ko turok connect okay sir sebut ke building ini kan architect Asalnya ulang laya nang wan kali barang tai dia nang ne pala dala an pelik di footpath ulong kan kali nang tai kan apa ni nang tai kan wan ini kan habis lapor kita meeting sir RPR Hakapur bau James Sangma udang longu health minister tengah layakan bat hadian bangi layashong baro lay dorbar nagaliang jong dorbar song bakalong pering sports club kapas tunat kalong bakila ai pat kila ai yang najaga kumendriu hajar square feet tam haba naga health department hak itu sistem giblale kilawan bar sorwe pat kum ka provision kalong ba mde berdunaya kan ru hajar tekan ka digajing kerku ka ba kisa accept ya scheme sa priang baga long ru hajar tam kalau long visible na pertagan ka shop center te kiwi pat ki post mo ki kam tray pat la ka di shokidar ngilekar ni kataru atau apa la ka ki ji non kam ki shokidar ni ki caretaker ni ki mo ki ward boy ward girl tegamot kini kilai dorbar senung kinsong bansa recommend pat sa health department de ngai kubli pi baro but kam tam ya health department nadu ko podi ba sela ako suawin song tan ya initiate but kajing trace tom jung ba wan yang kum executive engineer kabangim jinman ka tayong ya communicate ban yang bare showroom sanang kumno ban pai kan proposal hadin ba James Sangma ale gitalade hak arsau tadi mulai benrio RPR ulah rekomend bat ngilap hak kumtu kumpakalen mendai ka masuk banyak skim pihak lek durip pihak lek mud ko bisau skim la pisong na yeng sutai ai wu na bas mur la cala yo skim nakaliang juga di officer dari health department ibadah lang baro bat ki kontraktor ki nong tray jon kontraktor ibalah selang jing tray pihak tu it's not a matter of joke haberlet bu conference ting don bisa ki accept ya ka proposal nga haberlet ando ka level ng chief minister tengah soba ay ko bele boro ki officer nadu ikong Dr. Lungdo ibala letno bari Dr. Lungdo ibalawan pat banta ko district medical and health officer pat boro ki official jong health department ki backbone ki ground force laram day na ibawan yang laram day ni Dr. Lungdo but ki official jong engineering wing jong department kapat ka jonga ban follow up ka scheme ban yo ega ban penrung ban approve na po planning nang ta ban poi pat yaga sa po finance ban yo yaga sanction kachimpo nakaway ka table ki apsong ki series of meeting tender committee ki apsong sa ki approval committee kinay gubon te hakaji nyalanti nga soban ay kublay na banda jong pi boro kinong sunong jong Lomparing pelun bat ka konsensi hi boro kawai kabakan long ke jarap sibon ya kituki kamtam kituki duk suk bat ya boro hi ki emergency case don ki bamensa ka accident na ni ki ba or ki ba butoy ki ba let's say la di por ban haklung na ni ki ba yo kan sa ni jing pangsuk po pangkli pri pinher menurut kampe pinher sangat lu sepo dispensary laban lan di sibil murki emergency prayo ban di sumar ka kloy tangne mo dokter te kene ka di ki ka jumun to jung pi ginong song jung ka lumparing pulun bro oi